for the Mythic Voyage because I was advised by an ex of mine, and he thought it would be good for me, for my own happiness. I quit because I found it very difficult and very hard for me to make a choice. I choose to stay here after I quit because I had a lot of things to process, and it felt like the right place to be, with the right kind of people. I learned a lot. I also learned, not only I learned about theory of stuff, but I learned a lot about myself, and how to look at things in another perspective now. So yeah, I'm very glad I came, and I'm also glad that I stayed. I stayed for the whole time. I quit on the 5th day, and today is the 12th day, and I'm still here. And we're about to leave in a couple of hours, but I have mixed feelings of leaving here, because of the connection I feel here with the people, and because of the work that is given here. How do I feel about the work here is that it makes sense. The greatest gift I got from staying here is feeling that I am loved and that I can love. If I compare this workshop without ayahuasca and an ayahuasca ceremony, I would say there is a comparison because the physical things that can happen during an ayahuasca session is a ceremony is also happening here without. I really think I wanna do a workshop again. I want to come back to TierraMitica. It feels like a little paradise where people learn and grow, and people have open hearts. Yeah, that's how I would describe it. Yeah.
What would you say to somebody who was thinking about maybe coming to TierraMitica for a workshop?
I would definitely say they should do it, and I would say that they should be sure they want to do it. Yeah, I want to thank everyone here in TierraMitica for being, for helping me, supporting me while I was here, even though I quit the workshop.